Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update firmware in G-Hub for your Logitech G512 X keyboard. So first of all, you have to connect your keyboard to your computer using an original cable, and after that we're gonna have to launch the G-Hub application on the PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Logitech official website, and we also have a separate video on the topic if you need some extra guidance. Now once you are here, you're gonna have to select your keyboard on the dashboard. Now we're gonna have to go to devices settings by clicking right here, then go to general and select update right here. If your device has available updates, this button will be shown to you in blue color. If it's grayed out, then you already are using the latest firmware version for your keyboard. And that's basically it, except for you also will have to restart your computer and after installing the most recent firmware to apply changes. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.